Imagine Adam alayhi salam, and this makes me smile every time I think of it. Allah prohibited upon them only one thing when they were created. Don't eat from this tree. وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةِ. Don't eat from this tree. That's exactly what they did. That's the only thing they did, subhanallah. Allah said, don't do this, and that's what they did. But did they do it out of defiance or out of weakness? Out of human weakness and the deception of the devil. So whenever you sin, if you've sinned out of human weakness and the deception of the devil, quickly seek the forgiveness of Allah. No matter how many times it happens, seek the forgiveness, come back on track, be strong and be hard on yourself to get back to worship Allah alone and do what pleases Allah, and inshallah you're on the right track. You're heading for Jannah, for paradise. Look at the Quran. Allah speaks about those who committed adultery, those who did bad things, immoral things. Allah says if they remember Allah and seek forgiveness and change their ways, those are the ones whom we will grant paradise, Allah says. أُولَٰئِكَ جَزَاؤُهُمْ مَغْفِرَةٌ مِّن رَبِّهِمْ وَجَنَّاتٍ. For them, from their Lord will be forgiveness and paradise. Who are they? الَّذِينَ إِذَا فَعَلُوا فَاحِشَةً أَوْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ ذَكَرُوا اللَّهَ فَاسْتَغْفَرُوا لِذُنُوبِهِمْ. Those who committed immorality or did something evil, wronged themselves, and then sought the forgiveness of Allah. Here is Allah saying, you know what? We will forgive them because they changed their ways. So remember, you're a human. This is Allah. Who is Allah? My maker, the one whom I'm going to return to, the only one who is the supreme deity alone, who is owed worship. None other than him is owed worship. So this is why we say, why is Allah the only one worthy of worship? Because he made me. I'm going to go back to him.